Let's take a look at how you can apply group filters for project development using this broadband map. In this example, I'm going to zoom in to Pennsylvania, and I'm going to select a county. I'm going to zoom to that county, and I'm going to add some layers of interest. One of the layers I want to understand would be unserved broadband serviceable locations. I'd like to highlight low-income areas, and I'd like to highlight areas with a higher density of seniors. I'm then going to go up and apply a filter to this. I'm going to look for areas with those three criteria that have greater than 40%. And I'm going to click apply. And then I can very easily see a few things very quickly. These areas with the purple dots have a high density of areas with unserved locations. They also overlap in an area of higher poverty here and an area of higher senior concentrations here. And so if you're starting a local conversation about where to deploy resources for rural broadband, you may want to concentrate in areas where there's a little bit higher poverty, but still a high need for broadband service, or in areas where there's a need for broadband service and a higher density of seniors who may be looking for telehealth care. This is just one example, but you can apply these filters to any of the layers on the map. We hope you found this example useful.